Okay, we're gonna go through a little bit about the demo of the simple chess engine project that I have been working on. And you can see that this chess engine project is based mostly on a JavaScript and HTML and CSS. And it is utilizes it, it has a board JS class, which kind of defines all the pieces and as well as the board logic involved with it. Um, this board class is like a container for generating all the position keys and defining whether all the castling en passant logic is involved. And we have a few other like GUI files. Depths is for definitions, and so an evaluate is to evaluate the moves that are evaluated based on the scoring of each position for different pieces. And the way you start us off is by just going live on this HTML file. And you can see that we have a chess engine over here, and we can give it different thinking times to potentially allow it to use different depth and move. And this will allow the engine to potentially make more competitive moves. And you can see that you can start it off, by making different moves over here. Um, so when you click it, it will highlight the piece, the positions that you're clicking. So let's push the pawn over here. Um, and yes, and the computer based on the my move, it will make a competitive move. You can see that the depth of thinking is 8 on the sense, and we have a score over there. Let's say I make another move, and yeah, the computer will just play along, and will be um, using different levels of depths based on the search algorithms, and we'll be able to allow us to play the game along at the pretty I think a pretty competitive level. um, and yeah, and what you can do is you can also take back a piece over here as you go, so you can potentially make different moves. Say I want to move this knight instead of the other one. See, it can then it will adapt based on the move you're making. Let's say we can also flip the board as well, so um, we can play it on different moves as well. I think we can also allow the computer to play by itself. So see, it will be able to um, make different moves based on based on the previous move, and yeah, and the game will simply just continue to play along till one side, wins or loses. So yeah, this is a brief demo of the project progress so far, and yeah, and the UI itself is pretty simple at this moment, and the one of the potential improvement in the future is that the right now the score for each different cells for the pieces are quite static. So in the future, perhaps there's a better way to dynamically, assign the score of different locations for different pieces. So that's one of the areas that we can improve upon. But yeah, this is a rough demonstration of this project going so far.